We've been really focusing heavily on integration scenarios, but integration is really the kind of step one in terms of implementing true data management. So we've already provided several examples of the value to any organization and removing manual tasks, eliminating dual entry, enabling process automation. But for data management, you still need to address the situation that Matt pointed out at the start of our presentation. So you're dealing with data from dozens of external and internal systems, as well as potentially billions of bytes of IoT data from your shop floor. So this data lives in multiple locations and it's in multiple different formats. And because of this, it's difficult or impossible to manage holistically. It is normalized into a consistent format, and there's little to no context for that data. So meaning the sales data, isn't correlated to production or to supply chain data. So since that data is so scattered, it doesn't really lend itself to any sort of a robust analytics or data management practice. Any reporting that you do or can do is going to be potentially limited to, again, that small set of data, again, without the context of other departmental data. And really the bottom line is you can't really unlock the true potential value this data can bring your organization.